Ku yi muna subscribe sannan ku danna alamar ƙarawa domin samun sabbin shirye-shiryenmu.
The world today is gradually moving toward the use of a closed-circuit television, CCTV, for proper and effective surveillance of the public or private spaces, while deliberately quitting the old system of a human security personnel. However, before I continue, I would like to give honor to whom honor is due and to give respect to whom respect is due by acknowledging the presence of Mr. Chairman, sir, the moderator, sir, impartial and incorruptible panel of judges, accurate timekeeper, my debaters, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, good day to you all. I, Abu Bakr Muhammad Bainem, a student from Muslim Foundation Secondary School, standing here before you to strongly support the motion, which says that CCTV should replace the physical presence of human security personnel in the school, which I believe is needful and obliged. But before I proceed, let me first of all define the key terms of this motion, which is CCTV and human security personnel. A closed-circuit television, popularly known as a watchman, or video surveillance, is the use of video cameras to transmit a signal to a specific places, while deliberately quitting the old system of a human security personnel. While on the other hand, human security personnel is a person or group of persons who were assigned to guard, watch buildings, schools, or streets of a city. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, CCTV should completely replace the physical presence of human security personnel in our schools due to the following points of mind. Number one, preventing vandalism of school properties. And number two, remote monitoring of school premises. And number three, maximum protection of school occupants. Mr. Chairman, sir, permit me at this juncture to explicate, elucidate, and over-elaborate my point one after the other. Number one, preventing vandalism of school properties. Apart from installing CCTV to prevent theft, a CCTV system can be used to monitor school premises continuously, especially in the night, to avoid vandalism, such as graffiti, breaking of seats, windows or doors, either in the school, either in the staff or class, destroying or removing school planted flowers, especially during or after school hours. Number two, remote monitoring of school premises. The use of CCTV will make it possible for the school authorities to gather a lot of information about a distance on certain target areas and location of the school. This will ensure utmost security and the vigilance of all the distant locations that will take longer time for a human security to oversee or supervise. Number three, maximum protection of school occupants.
A device which can only monitor limited area cannot be used to replace physical presence of security personnel in our school. However, before I continue, I would like to give honor to whom honor is due by acknowledging Mr. Chairman, sir, Mr. Moderator, distinguished panel of judges, my co-debaters, ladies and gentlemen, good day to you all. My name is Balkis Yusuf Giwa, a student from Muslim Foundation Secondary School. I'm here standing before you strongly to oppose the motion which says CCTV cameras should replace physical presence of security personnel in our schools. But since my first speaker has explained the two concepts of this motion, let me go straight to my point. CCTV camera covers only a limited area. CCTV camera can be hacked. Use of CCTV camera can increase crime activity. CCTV camera covers only a limited area. The major disadvantage for use of CCTV camera in our school is that it covers only a limited area. Criminal or even some bad students from students can vandalize the cameras in various ways, such as sticking gums or spraying something on the lens. Some of them may even be able to change the angle of the camera. And if this can be done, use of CCTV camera could not be suitable to be used in our schools. Mr. Chairman, sir, with those concrete and unchallengeable points of mine, I hope you will fully convince me, not in any way confused, that CCTV cameras should never replace physical presence of security personnel in our.
Thank you very much. The next.